Welcome to the craft class. Today I am going to teach you fun paper craft. So let us start making this bunny hand puppet. Take one A4 size paper and mark 4 centimeters from the top and 4 centimeters from the bottom. And with the help of the scale, draw a straight line. Keep your scale here and then fold it in this way. Make a crease line like this. Fold it and make a crease line. Then fold these two corners on this one like this and make a crease line. Unfold it and you have to apply glue on this portion. And paste it like this. Then fold it into half. Make a crease line, unfold it, and now you have to bring these two corners till this line. Crease line. Similarly, you have to do from this side also. Fold it and make a crease line. Then turn it over like this. Then flip it like this. It will become like this. From this pink sheet, we are going to cut 2 ears for the rabbit. Fold your paper in this way. This measures around 5 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Now I will draw ears for the rabbit like this, and then we will cut it. I have got 2 big ears from the pink one and 2 smaller ones from the white sheet. Now we are going to paste this white on this pink one here. So let us paste. Now we are going to make nose for our bunny. So we will cut 2 circles from the pink one and 1 circle from the white sheet. I am taking this cap of our Fevicol bottle. Keep it here and trace it with the pencil. Two from the pink and 1 from the white sheet. Now I am going to cut it. We will paste the ears of the bunny here on this open side and the nose on the closed side here. This is the open side. We are going to paste our ears here. So keep your ears here upside down like this and apply the glue here. And paste it like this. Now we are going to paste the nose here. 1 circle will be pasted here and 1 circle will be pasted here like this. Like this. Apply the glue. And the third circle which we have cut white color is going to be pasted on here, in between here, like this. Then we will draw the eyes here under the ears with the help of this CD. I will keep the CD here and draw the eyes. Then with the help of the marker, I am going to color it. So the bunny's ears, eyes and nose is ready. The pink sheet for making the tongue. On this pink sheet, write U, this much size, and cut it. And we are going to paste the tongue here in this way. Similarly, we have to paste the teeth here. Take a small strip for making the teeth for the bunny. Fold it into half, as we need to. Cut it from the center. These are the teeth for our bunny. At the back, with the help of the Fevicol. To enhance the nose of the rabbit, I am taking the black sketch pen and marking it like this. Now our bunny is ready. Thank you. Hope you like it.